Hey, let's see how we can use Zigzag on a typical day at work to make things easier and faster. Create a task for Sam to analyze upcoming marketing trends. Put the due date of tomorrow 5:30 p.m. and it's a higher priority task. It'll create a task. You can view all details by scrolling. Tap to edit anything like the priority. Okay, now let's try something else. What are Pia's unfinished tasks? It gives me a short summary and a table of tasks left. Now we use it to do something on our behalf. Send her a message asking her to focus today on the tasks of finalizing script for influencers and analyzing client satisfaction. It's asking for confirmation, so yes, please send it. Now let's quickly jump to our inbox to see if it actually sent the message, and we see here that it did. Alright, now let's work with trying to find tasks of a specific keyword or project. What tasks related to XM Studios are not done yet? It brings all the tasks for us to go through, and we can tap on any to see more details. Now let's see how we can use Zigzag for getting answers from our company's knowledge base. Check the docs and tell me that when is our meeting with Apex Solutions and who is the coordinator. It gives us an answer and the doc from which it has referenced it. So we can just tap on it, scroll down to check if the answer is correct. Now let's try editing a doc. Also, to the product management hack doc, add one more point about use your own product. Dog fooding is essential. Regularly use your product like a customer would. It's the fastest way to find and fix usability issues. Let's open up the doc to have a look, and we can see that it's been added as the last point, and that too with perfect formatting. So awesome. Now let's just have a conversation about managing work. What are the unfinished tasks for today? We get a short, sweet summary super fast. For those who like to plan ahead, we can ask something like, what tasks will be due in the next 5 days? We get the list of tasks. For managers, something like, what are the urgent tasks on Mark's side? And again, we get a short list. You can ask any query and let Zigzag, your personal assistant, handle it. Zigzag handles everything with minimal effort, so you can focus on your actual work.